kill rodents, no poison, safe for kids and your pets, and you don't have to see that dead rodent. That's right. Today's video, we're going to get all into it. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, CraigHowToPest.com. If you've never been to this channel before, guys, and don't know what it's about, I'm going to tell you right now. This is where we highlight professional grade products, and then we show you DIYers how to use them. If that's something that's of interest to you guys, hit that subscribe button down below, and these videos come out multiple times a week. Also, guys, we are going to throw links up in the channel during the video, and you can direct order by punching on those links. Guys, it's YouTube shopping, and it couldn't be any easier. So if you see a product you like, just hit that button. But hey, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Welcome back, DIYers. Today's video, I just have a great product for you. We have so many people that are dealing with rodents out there, but they don't know which route to go. They don't know if they should go with the trapping. They don't know if they should go with a poison, a live trap, or whatever other type of way you can take care of rats. I don't know what else that is. Get yourself a hawk. But today's video, I have a product where you can use a safe rat trap. That's right, a safe rat trap, and you don't have to see that dead rodent, and it is going to protect your pets and your children from getting their little hands snapped in that trap. Man, today's product is by VM. Do you guys see this right here? This is an easy snap bait box. And I'm going to tell you what that means in just a minute. But what does this look like to you? A lot of you pros out there. It looks like a bait box. When you go and service them at your commercial accounts, your residential, you pop it open, you put in your bait of choice, you fill it back up, whatever, clean it out, you shut it, and you're on your way. It's got the same holes. They're on the right, they're on the left. The top looks the same. You can see it's got that universal key that a lot of you use out there. But those of you who have never seen a bait box, you have no idea what I'm talking about. You pros are going, looks like a bait box. It's not, guys. VM has taken the bait box and turned it in to a rat snap protective box, kill that rodent station. Let's get into this. Here's the key. This is all you do. Do you see the arrows on there, guys? You're going to take the key that it comes with, and you're just going to press down, and you're going to open this thing up. I'm doing it backwards, a little harder. Okay, put the key to the side, and then what do you have in this trap? You've got that rat trap I just talked about. But look, guys, this is where this is different. This trap right here comes out. You're just going to slide this thing forward like that, and it comes right out of the trap. If you can see on the bottom there, it is in place. I slide this thing forward, it comes out. Do you see that? This thing comes out right here. Now, it comes out for two reasons. So you can bait it easily, more easily, and you can clean off any dead rodents that you may have caught in that trap. And you are going to catch rodents in this trap. They love to go in those secure areas. That's what else makes this trap fantastic. Rodents love dark areas. They feel safe. This is a dark box. They go in to explore and they come out no more. It's that easy, guys. Now, this trap is going to come just like you see in the box, trap, and this cute little zip tie here with a red and black. And you're going, what the heck is that, Craig? I will get into that in just a second. The only thing this trap will not come with is this Skippy peanut butter that you see right here, because I already put that in there for demonstration purposes. If you want me to bait the trap, then you can pay me a little extra, and I'll use a little scoop of my peanut butter and put it in there. It'll come ready to go for you. Otherwise, it comes with no bait, and you're going to have to bait it. Now, what can you bait this trap with? You can bait it with peanut butter, like I showed you right here. If you want an easier way, and you bait traps a lot, you pros out there, Pro Pest Lure from JF Oaks. Fantastic product. It comes, where is my little syringe? So it comes right here, the syringe, comes with a plunger, has a little cap that just twists off. You put this little plunger into place, and it just makes it easy to put bait down there. Now, everything I talk about today, guys, is going to be up here in a QR code when I talk about it, and it is YouTube shopping. It could not get any simpler than that. If you like the product, you think it works, then you can jump over to our How to Pest store, howtopest.com, and you can purchase that product. So if it works for you, hit the QR code straight to your house, guys. You're good to go. Now, do you need Pro Pest Lure from JF Oaks? You do not. It's just a convenient way for professionals like me or people that need to use it you know, multiple times a day, or you just don't want to scoop out of your peanut butter can. You just want to use something like this. So it is a fantastic product. And yes, I do use it. It's on all of our trucks, guys. It just makes it easy for our day instead of, like I said, scooping out the peanut butter. But peanut butter works well, okay? There are other baits that work well too. You are literally just trying to lure that rodent into the trap and wipe him out. Now, understand you saw one trap in here. It catches one trap at a time. But here's the fantastic thing about this. I told you it's a nice dark place. They like to go in it, so it makes this even more attractive for the rats. But what else? That's where this zip tie comes into place. Now look here, guys. This zip tie is not going to come attached, okay? I attached it. If you want this zip tie attached, you're going to have to put it in the notes, and one of our shipping people will put the zip tie on before they ship it out. Otherwise, you're going to take this zip tie, yellow side first, and you're going to slide it under just like this, and then you're going to come up through and you're going to pull it tight. So it's under and up. That's how you attach it. But this one is already attached, and it was attached the way I just told you, okay? Now, you see the yellow, you see the black. Now let's put this thing back in place, okay? So we're going to go here, and we're just going to pull it. I pulled it back, and it's snapped into place. Do you see that? The trap's in there and good to go. You want it out, you push it forward, okay? Back, locks it in place. Now, you're going to take this zip tie right here, and do you see this hole right here? Do you see that hole right there? You are going to take this zip tie. Once you have set this trap, now I probably should have showed you how to do that. Set the trap inside once you've locked it. But all you do is you take this back until, this is going to be hard to do on the camera. You're going to take this back until it snaps. Did you hear that snap? So you're just pushing this back until it snaps. Then you're going to carefully, these traps are sensitive. So when I say carefully, go nice and slow. Slide your zip tie to the middle of the trap right here. And then come back to that hole that I just showed you right there. Do you see that? And what I'm doing is I'm sliding that into the hole. Do you see that coming out of the back of the lid? That's what you're going to do. Now, you're going to slowly start to raise the lid just like so. And you're going to make sure that zip tie keeps feeding through. Let me back up here. See how it just kept feeding through like that? And then you're just going to take this and you're going to snap it. That's how you shut these. Bam, snap. This thing is good to go, okay? Now, when you put these out, wherever you put them, the best thing to do is my arm is the wall, okay? This is how you want the trap. You want this thing parallel with a wall because those rodents are going to guide along the wall. Another thing they do, they feel safe along the wall. So along the wall, along the block wall, wherever you're going to be. Can you put it out in the open by a tree that they're coming up and down? Yes, you can, and you'll probably catch the rat. But if you're trying to do it around a structure, excuse me, against the wall. So you'll have a hole there, hole there. So whichever way they come, they're going to go in, they're going to see that nice treat you've given them, and then snap, it's over. Now remember what I said about don't see? You don't see. So how do you know you have a rat in that trap? Well, this is where the zip tie comes into play. Let me see if I can spring this thing because they are really sensitive. You see the yellow, you see the black, right? Did you see that disappear? That's how sensitive that trap is. Did you see I just smacked on that? You want that sensitive because when that guy goes in there to get that num-nums, and we're talking the cheapest num-nums you can get him because you're not trying to feed this guy. This is not the Hilton, it's not the Ritz-Carlton, okay? He's not even going to get that food, believe me. He's going to get close enough. It's that sensitive. Bam, gets him, neck, dead, gone. No more rats, okay? So you don't see the yellow anymore, and all you see is black? That's how you know you have a catch. Now, can it go off by itself? Yeah, but you saw I had to hit that pretty good. So something's going to really have to hit that once you have it out to prematurely make it go off. Now, if you have a really large rat, I've seen them with a little tail hanging out of the back, but this is great for people that don't want to see the rodent. So, no yellow, you got your fellow. Just remember that. No yellow, got a fellow, okay? Beautiful thing. You don't have to see it. Your wife doesn't have to see it. Maybe she doesn't want to see it. And that's why she wants this. But somebody's going to have to clean this bad boy out of the trap. So all you do is you come back here, you put your little key in, snaps open. It's that easy, guys. It has the arrow, shows you which way. You pressure down, a little bitty twist. Not like a turn. It's just a press down and a barely twist, and it pops open. You put your key down, you pop it open, and pretend there was a rat in there and he is gone. The yellow is all inside the trap. You take this bad boy out, just like we showed you, slide forward, pull it out, take it over, dump the rat out. All you do is squeeze this back a little bit, and dump Mr. Rodent in the trash, and he goes bye-bye to Never Never Land, okay? Now, let's talk about cleaning this trap. The dirtier this trap is, hear me out here, the dirtier this trap is, if you have more rodents, the better it works. It is freaking nasty. They are cannibals, guys. They will eat each other off this trap. If you leave a rodent on here too long, and you have multiple rodents in the area you're going after, you'll come back and find just a skull on that trap sometimes. It's happened to me multiple times. But I would dump that rat out in the trash, into a trash bag, however you're going to dispose of that rat. I would reset the trap, probably put a little more fresh peanut butter on there just to keep it fresh, or a little more JF Oaks right here bait. This is an all-natural bait. They make it from, I think, nuts and berries and stuff like that. So it's all natural. You could actually, you know, you get hungry during the job, a little in the mouth, and you're good to go. Last you throughout the day, come home for dinner, okay? But the dirtier this is, the better it works. People think they want to clean this off. Now, it's disgustingly gross and hair and matted because you set this thing and checked it 2 months later and you got a dinosaur carcass going on in here and it's just gross. Then yeah, you're going to want to clean it off, okay? Now, if you wait too long, you are going to have the maggots. So once you put these out, you need to monitor. But if they're in areas you can see the trap right there. And if you're still seeing yellow, you ain't got no fellow. Okay, so you're good. So put them in areas that are easily accessible that you can check. Then just take that trap, like I said, and you're just gonna push it right back into here in the hole. I'm not even looking at that. I just know it's hole here at snap. I pushed it back. I'm gonna take this right here. I'm gonna do it upside down. You guys will never do it like this, okay? Here, look at this. Let me climb up here. See how I just snapped that open? It's snapped. It just clicks back and locks, right? Then I take my zip tie right here. I start to feed it through. Like you can see it coming out of the back right there. I slowly start to shut that lid. The yellow exposes itself. Click. I set it out. I'm ready to rat trap. Oh, here comes Mr. Rat. Boom. No more yellow. I got my fellow. That is it on the Easy Snap Rat Trap. If you like it, QR code right up there, guys. Hit that button. You can order it direct to your house. Catches one rat at a time. You may need one box. You may need multiple. That's going to be up to you and your situation out there. Understand? Easy Snap makes a mouse trap. It does have a little bit of a bonus. It has 2 traps in it, 2 mouse traps, a little smaller of a trap, so it gives you 2 instead of 1. But the rodent one is beautiful. We use them all the time at our business, guys. That's it. Any comments down below in the comment section? Happy to answer them for you. Thanks for all the thumbs up out there, guys. Thanks for listening to my cheesiness. And have a great 4th of July. Keep yourself rodent and bug free from howtopest.com. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below and you'll get my pretty little face multiple times a week. Craig, howtopest.com.